Hey, Adam. Good morning.
Hey, Jordan.
Thank you for joining me
Yep.
in our special segment within the Prevail Pro Tip series. I want to let everyone know this is Adam Doran, and he is our expert within the office at real estate investment. And I wanted to use this time, Adam, for you to give a little bit of a background on how you got into the industry, your experience with real estate investing, and then build some awareness for your upcoming Lunch and Learn on May 12th.
Sure. So the first part of your question around my background, I spent 15 years as a street cop, police officer, and about 10 years into that career, realized that the way I was doing things financially, I wasn't getting ahead, and I wanted to fix that. And so made wealth building, for me personally, it was a personal study. And I ended up getting into real estate investing, which was a key cornerstone of my personal financial strategy to help improve my situation, which it has done. So in 2011, I got into rental real estate investing. I started with single families. Now I do multifamily, and then had the opportunity to hit reset, left my law enforcement career a few years ago, and got into financial services because I saw a need in this space for serving the real estate investor. Most traditional advisors, matter of fact, I had met with some and was frustrated that they didn't spend much time talking about real estate or encouraging me to get into it. And it's such a valuable wealth building tool. I saw a need to serve real estate investors.
That's awesome. So I know you're going to get into that a little bit in your presentation, but for real estate investors that have not seen your presentation before, and for the general audience, what are some of the main points that you're going to review in your presentation? It's May 12th at noon, right?
Yep, it's called Capital Strategy for the Real Estate Investor, May 12th, noon Central Time. And we're going to hit kind of three main points. We're going to talk about capital strategy. So as a real estate investor, if you're successful, you have this good problem of having extra cash. And where do you put that cash? What do you do with it when you're in between deals? And so we have a very unique approach to capital strategy that allows the investor to build a warehouse of cash, in effect, that is insulated from rising tax rates, insulated from market volatility, and they can actually achieve uninterrupted growth and compounding on that capital account, even when they leverage it to do deals. And so it's, in essence, what you're doing is you're building two assets at the same time. Your capital account continues to grow while you're building your real estate portfolio too. I think another key thing of that that will be important for investors that attend is just the idea, and I know when I say this, people will know the term OPM, other people's money. Right. And as real estate investors, we learn about using that, and it can be very instrumental in getting started for someone who's still trying to build capital. Yeah. But once you start building your own capital, lenders come with restrictions and rules, and there's limitations there. And so it's nice to have your own warehouse of capital that you can deploy. It just puts you in more control. So we're going to talk about that as well.
Fantastic. I'm looking forward to it. We'll put an RSVP link in the body of the text of our post where we share this video, Adam, but I'm really looking forward to it. Thank you so much for your time.
Yeah, absolutely.
And we'll talk to you soon.
All right. Thanks, Jordan.
All right. Bye.